Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on voice navigation and set the volume of it on the Detecht application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the third button in the middle and click on plan a route. After that, tap on the settings icon in the right side at the top. Scroll down to the voice settings and tap on this voice button to receive spoken navigation instructions and warnings during navigation and tracking. Here on this slide, you can set the volume of the voice, and you can also turn on the pause playback function to pause current playback when voice navigation or hazard warnings are played. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.